Now on this video, I want to teach you guys how to buy the meme coin from your Phantom wallet. In my recent video that I made about meme coin, I taught you guys how to find the next 100x meme coin, 200x meme coin, 1000x meme coin, and the rest of that. I taught you guys how to find the next meme coin that is going to pump hard. I'm going to be leaving the card of that video as I'm speaking with you right now. That's the video that introduced this particular video. So if you haven't watched it, I want you to stick around, watch this video till the end, then you can go back and watch that video. So let us now buy the coin we analyzed in that video directly from Phantom wallet. So guys, it is very important to note that you can buy a coin using the Telegram bot. It is one of the fastest, but it consumes more fees. I'm still going to teach you guys how to do that, but if you want to spend lesser fees, then you trade directly on Phantom wallet. Now let's buy that coin, which is MOM. Now when you come to your Phantom wallet at the home page, you're going to be seeing something like this. As you can see, if you look above here, you see TradeWiz. This is a particular account I use for a particular Telegram bot known as TradeWiz, but I am going to use it to illustrate this for you guys to buy directly from Phantom. Okay, then I will still tell you how all that is being done, how to set up the Telegram bot and link it to your Phantom wallet. Whatever you buy from that Telegram bot, you'll be seeing it to reflect on your Phantom wallet. I'm still going to make a video on that, but on the meantime, let me teach you guys how to buy directly from Phantom wallet. As you can see, I already have $29 worth of Solana sitting right here. So before you do this, you must deposit on your wallet. Okay, so for you to deposit, look at this place you have: receive, send, swap, buy. You click on receive, and when you click on receive, guys, this is the particular address on which you have to transfer the Solana for you to be able to buy the token, because we are buying the token with Solana, right? Okay, so if you click on this particular place, you see copied, then you can go to any exchange and send Solana on that address. Now let's go. You head over to your browser section on your Phantom wallet, click on it. So when you click on it, you're going to be seeing a lot of things. You see trending tokens, blah blah blah. Okay, as you can see, this particular shitcoin we have here, we also saw it on the video I taught about how to locate meme coins. Okay, is one of the trending tokens. Then when you scroll right down, you are going to see trending site. We are going to use any of this site to buy this coin. Okay, since we have looked on their screener, okay, let us use any site in between Jupiter and pump.fun, but let me click on Jupiter. So we are now accessing Jupiter from our Phantom wallet. Alright, now on Jupiter, as you can see, look at what we have here. We have lots of things: swap limit this year and the rest of that. What you are going to be clicking is on swap. Then when you come down, you see you are selling and you are buying. Okay, you are selling Solana to buy that particular meme coin. So what you're going to do here is to click on this particular switch so that Solana goes up, the other coin you are buying comes down. Then on this particular coin, which is on your buying side, you just tap on it. Immediately you tap on it, it's going to bring out this. Okay, you are going to see a space where it says search by token or paste the address. Let me try to type in MOM there. Let's see what happens. As you can see, we have lots of MOM here. Look at this. We have MOM. We have MOM. So how can you tell the one that is the real MOM here? You see, this is very confusing. We have another MOM. We have another MOM. We have, you see all that? Look at a lot of coin answering MOM. So how do we know the one that is the major one? So you don't search for coins by their name. It is very hazardous. Take note of that. Clear this place and then paste in the address. That's the best. You see, look at the particular coin on which we are buying MOM. So we click on it. As you can see, it says MOM is not verified. Simply means that MOM is not verified on Jupiter, but we ourselves have already verified it. We have already done a lot of fundamentals on it, and we found out that it is a good coin to buy. So many of you will be asking, where did we do that fundamental? I made a video on that, which was the video I told you guys from the starting of this video. It is very important you watch that video. It is very important. I'm just teaching you how to buy any coin at all on which you want to buy directly from Phantom wallet. Okay, so the next thing for us to do here is to connect our wallet. Of course, let's connect our wallet. Then we select Phantom. Okay, it's connecting. So we connect our TradeWiz to Jupiter. That's it, guys. As you can see, it is connected. Then let's now go ahead to buy this particular coin. So how many Solana are we buying? Let's buy 0.001 Solana. Okay, as you can see, okay, this is $0.22. Okay, so let's buy 0.01 Solana or 0.009 Solana, 0.005. Okay, so let's buy with 0.005 Solana. I want to just show you that this is possible. So let's click here and then click on swap. We are buying 315 worth of this particular coin more, right? So let's click on swap, guys. Okay, so it said we should confirm, so let's confirm, guys. As you can see, successful. So we have bought this coin right now with just $1. So let's now click on the home page of our Phantom wallet and we refresh. Okay, as you can see, we now have our museum of memes right here, and as you can see, it is already now increasing. We have $0.87. So that is it, guys. Okay, now when you add this $1 plus $7 plus the amount of fees you are charged, you're gonna get that $29 that you had here. Okay, because of the fees, it made this to go down from $29 to $28.62. So this is where we are going to be coming to the end of this video, my people. If you want to know how you are going to trade with bots, I want you to click on this video popping up right now to know exactly how to trade with Telegram bots.